It's Megan and Gradyn back again from By Megan Elizabeth and She Makes Club. And today we're continuing what we had already started. We did our first acrylic pour video, so go check out that video over on the YouTube channel. But we're gonna take what we have left over from the paint. We have the white pour and just kind of all the leftover paint, and we're gonna do a second canvas and kind of see how it turns out. So this is pouring what we have left over. So Grady's gonna start by coating the canvas in our white pouring base. So go ahead, buddy, really slow. We're gonna go across the canvas. Yep, come on, start over here. Just pour it, and we're gonna make it nice and flow. This is actually like extra flowy, so all right, we're just gonna kind of cover the whole thing because we didn't do a base coat on this one like we did the other, so we're just gonna, and whatever flows left is what flows. All right, so now we're taking the extra. Are we gonna do a nice slow pour? Yeah. You want me to do it?
Can I do it with you?
Yep. Hold on to it
Come on.
from the back. All right, nice and slow. You can see it's a little bit clumpier because this one sat a little bit longer. We decided to do this kind of last minute. So we're just gonna let it flow.
Can I do it a bit on this one?
Go ahead, you pour it where you want it. Don't touch the canvas though. Tilt the cup. There you go. Tilt it, tilt it. All right, that's good. Let's try to stretch this. No, wait, don't get it on me. It's all right. We're gonna stretch it now, nice and slow with what's left. Let's see what kind of flow we can get on pouring what we had left over. So you can see there's definitely some spots where it's not primed, so it's not flowing quite as well. But the orange and that teal looks so cool with that gray and white coming through.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever we need to, what we'll do, I feel like we need to grab a knife because we definitely need to coat the edges more. Why don't can you do me a big favor and grab me, can you grab me a plastic knife or a plastic spoon? You know where they are in the drawer? Go ahead and grab that real quick.
Wait, which one?
A knife or a spoon, whatever you can find easier. And that was Teddy getting stepped on in the door. You got it. Thank you. You can tell how much longer this has been sitting, so it gets really clumpy. In the drawer where you got the cups out of? It's not bad for being leftover paint. Okay, so I'm going to use the back side of the spoon, and then I'm just going to touch. Kind of let it flow along the rest of the bottom lines of the canvas. Buddy, this one almost looks cooler than the first one, surprisingly.
Yeah.
There's a lot more orange coming through.
Mm-hmm. It's like fat though. It kind of looks like fat. Like in this area.
Should we stretch it a little bit more? Is there a part that you don't like?
Like the orange area.
Is it too much orange?
No, it's just like, well, kind of, yes.
Okay, so we could just stretch it. Go nice and slow. We can even take what teal is left.
Ooh, teal. Okay. That's good. There you go. I think that's enough.
That really swirls it cool.
Mhm.
You can really have a lot of fun like playing with the colors. Like there's no rules when it comes to acrylic pouring and doing this. So it's just stretching out the color and letting it flow.
Getting some in the cup.
That's okay. It's just dripping off.
Kind of looks cool. I want to do that. Just like pour on the cup and like see it just drip down on the thing. We should do that, Mom.
Man, that metallic color really comes through on this one, even though it's chunkier. And we definitely need to pop some of those bubbles so it doesn't crack. You know, I think, man, that's really cool.
Yeah.
So you can see there's a bubble here.
Pop it.
So I'm just gonna pop it and kind of use the knife to move it. That's so neat.
This almost looks better than the other one.
It's so cool. Great job, buddy. Is this something we're gonna be doing more often, do you think? You're gonna help me on the channel?
Yes.
All right, tell everybody to come visit us. Where did they find us? BuyMeganElizabeth.com and check out She Makes Club?
Yes.
Yes. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.